Hi there, I'm Cassandra with Willow Heart Prims. I'm working on a fabric round snowman head, and I wanted to show you how I go about doing it because when I first got the pattern years ago and I was having a little trouble understanding the instructions on how to do it, and I searched and searched for a tutorial on how to do it so that I could see, but I couldn't find one. So I was thinking, somebody might be in that same boat as I was all those years ago. So this pattern head is from a Liberty Creek pattern, which you can find her on Etsy. And so what you are going to do is once you cut out your pattern, you're going to lay it upon your fabric, and you will then trace it out, and you will need 2 of these. Then what we will do is in order to give it the round shape, you are going to stitch down one side. So as you see, I flipped it over because I work better. The opening is down here. And I'm going to stitch from here to here. I am not going to stitch this side, only this side. And now I'm going to repeat it on this side as well. The same thing, you're just going to stitch it right on down. Okay, now that you have them stitched on each side, you're going to trim around the edges about 1/4 of an inch around. And I'm using a thick Osnaburg type fabric. Okay, now that you have these 2 pieces cut out, what you are then going to do is turn this right side out. And then place it into the inside of this piece. So this is the only one you will turn right side out. And then you will place it on the inside of this. Line your pieces up here. And then you will stitch down this side, making sure that they are even. If they're a little off, it's okay, don't fret. And then you're just going to sew that side together. And then you will repeat the same on this side as well. Just make sure they all get in there nice and even. Like I said, if it's a little off, it's okay. We'll just have a little bit of a wonkier shaped head, but that's fine. And I'm just gonna stitch. And then now all the sides are stitched. You are going to right side turn it. And you can stuff. And then you have yourself a round ball shaped head for a snowman. You can use these for pumpkins. All types of things. Dolls. So there you go. And then, like I said, you just stuff it with some polyfill. There you go, my friends. Have a great day.